Things are going crazy with Israel and Iran. Tensions in the region have been rising since Iran retaliated against Israel for an attack on its diplomatic grounds in Syria by striking back. And now, according to state media, Iran has shot down 3 drones over Isfahan using its air defense batteries. ABC News of the United States reported, citing a senior U.S. official, that Israel had attacked an Iranian target with missiles. However, neither Israel nor Iran had commented on the purported strike. There was a brief halt to flights in several Iranian cities. Iraq and Syria both have reports of explosions. More than 750,000 Palestinians have lost their lives in Israel's brutal assault on the Gaza Strip. And now, there are rising concerns of a regional bloodbath due to the escalation. Iran had before threatened a maximum reaction. The area has been devastated by Israel's terrible assault in Gaza, following Hamas's barbaric October 7th attack, and the newest escalatory move is their action in Iran. At least 1,200 individuals, primarily civilians, were killed in that incident, and over 200 more were taken prisoner. The Israeli bombardment and siege of Gaza have resulted in the deaths of over 33,000 Palestinians, according to Palestinian officials. The enclave has been devastated, and over 1 million people are facing catastrophic levels of starvation, leading to a humanitarian crisis. The senior U.S. official informed CNN that the U.S. had anticipated that Israel would not attack Iran's civilian or nuclear facilities before Friday's strike. Israel reportedly assured the U.S. that any response would be narrow in scale, according to a prior CNN story. Israel felt compelled to respond to the unprecedented intensity of the Iranian onslaught with physical action of some type, and U.S. intelligence revealed that they were considering a limited strike inside Iran. It was made clear that nuclear and civilian installations were not included in the range of targets, according to the senior official, who added that the exact details were never provided. In response to Iran's attack on Saturday, Israel's Western friends have rushed to its defense while simultaneously calling for calm. Given that Israel's defenses were effective and Iran's strikes had been mostly ineffective, U.S. President Joe Biden advised Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to view them as victories. The U.S. will abstain from military operations against Iran, according to Biden.